Hello and welcome to task 12. So in task 12, I asked you to critically review second and third SLR paper from your collection. Okay, so the answer for this is here. I have reviewed two of my papers and identified and written these two sentences. So the first sentence here, so the total write-up for the first is 46 words. So it is just over 40 words that I had suggested. So even if you have a little bit more, that's perfectly fine. As you can see, I have used three sentence types in this one. So I have mentioned the scope of the SLR, I have mentioned the limitations of the SLR, and I have mentioned the contribution. So these are the three sentences. The SLR conducted by 21 gives an overview of blockchain and IoT. That is the scope. However, it only examines 35 articles. So that is kind of explaining the limitation. And then these solutions involve the management of IoT sensors and IoT data. So this kind of gives a little bit about the contribution of this SLR. So that was for the second paper. Similarly, for the third paper, I have even shortened the summary or the critical review. There are 27 words in this one. I have used only two types of sentences in this one, where I mention the scope and the findings. So if you read this sentence, the review conducted by 23 concerned the integration of blockchain technology and renewable energy networks. So that mentions the scope, and this one here mentions the findings. So this way I have got 27 words here and 46 words here. So roughly goes to around 60, 70 odd words total, or a little bit more than 70. So I hope you're also writing similar number of words for these two tasks that I have given you, and progressing well with your research. So if you have done, do share your answers in the comments, and I'll be happy to give some feedback to the first two people who leave a comment. All right, thank you very much, and I'll come back to you tomorrow with the task 13. In the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and of course, like and share. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.